Okay, hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to basically give you a brief overview of the Brave browser and an explanation of how it works and the benefits of it over any other internet browser and how to use it basically in a brief description and what I think of it. So as you can see, we're on the website brave.com. This is where you start off if you wish to download and install the Brave browser. Now you can see here it's showing for me download Brave for Mac OS. Obviously, I mean, if you've got Windows and that, you know, it's just basically you either click on that or it'll display that so that you can download it onto your computer or laptop and basically use it from there. Now you can see that I'm actually using the Brave browser, as you see in the top left here. This is the Brave browser what we're looking at. I'm looking at the basic my channel here with regards to that, and you can see that basically it looks like much like a normal browser. It's very similar to Chrome because it is, I believe it's based on actual Chrome's back-end workings, so it's very similar to Chrome. You can actually add it has the benefit that because it's very similar to Chrome, you can actually add a lot of the extensions that you would normally add to Chrome. You can actually add onto this. So there's some of the things where you can kind of, well, it depends what you want to do, but things where you can, like on YouTube, you can see tags, additional information, or things like that are what I mainly use it for. But there are lots of any extensions that you would use on Chrome you can actually use on Brave. That's to my knowledge. Now, to get a bit more of a basic understanding of Brave, I mean, looking at the website, and again, I mean, I can tell you this, but if you visit the website, there's much more information on there, more information than I can run over in a short video. But basically, it's a web browser, as you would expect, and it's got more control over privacy than a lot of other web browsers. That's one main benefit. So you can actually, I mean, you can see here when you're on a website, it gives you the option to whitelist the site with the shields off, or you can put your shields on if you don't want advertisements popping up. Again, I mean, I have extensions which block advertisements anyway, but if you don't want advertisements and additional things popping up, it's great for that. The browsing is nice and quick, as of Chrome. I mean, according to this, it's 6 times faster than Chrome. Again, I can't vouch for that, but it is fast, and I've not had any issues with it. I can certainly confirm that. You also have the option to open a window in Tor with Tor as well, which is just here at the top here, how you can do that if you want more privacy. So again, and you can see the layout here, it's almost identical to Chrome for want of everything there. Now, as well as that, here's the big bit where you can earn rewards, because what happens is, as you're actually browsing the website normally, what does happen with Macintosh users, it's up in the top right here, whereas if you have a Windows PC, you get the notifications down in the bottom, down where my recycle bin is there, which will pop up. And with these advertisements, you can set it to how many advertisements pop up. I have it set to a default like 5 advertisements an hour, although you don't necessarily get 5 advertisements an hour. It's up to 5 advertisements, and I believe there's a maximum of about 23 advertisements that you can get in any one day. But again, the numbers do vary with regards to that, so it's not exact. So if you do install Brave and you don't get many ads popping up sometimes, that's perfectly normal, so don't worry about that. The other big function as well is the ability to tip, as you can see here, in that you get some creators, and when we say creators, it can be any, I mean, I've explained in one of my other videos, but it can be anybody with a YouTube channel, website, things like that, Twitch account, etc. There's other things where basically you can actually tip them. So a prime example of this would, in fact, you can actually see just as I'm speaking now, you see here where an advertisement's popped up, and you can either dismiss the advertisement there, or you can actually click on it. If you click on the advertisements, it just opens up well, hopefully it'll open up, because some of the advertisements seem to have links that are they can take a while actually popping up, but here we are. Here it is, it's loading. And this is it. So this is one of the advertisements that have linked to a website where you can get 30% off Skillshare Premium. And I mean, this is it. I mean, you can find out more about the website and what it's about. Some of the offers are actually quite good. I mean, some Amazon related ones, etc., which are actually quite good offers. But again, I mean, you can either view the ads or dismiss the ads, and each time you view them, you're getting the actual points. Now, what I will do before I show you the donate feature, which I was about to go into, got distracted by that advertisement, but if I open up a new tab here, you can see where it shows a balance, 6.6 BAT tokens, or 1.51 US dollars. Now, this is where you basically see all your tokens building up in your actual browser. And what you can actually do as well, there's a section here where you can see all your rewards. If you click onto this, you can see that so far this month I've received 47 ad notifications. In all honesty, that could have been more because I've not been using Brave as much as I should have been. I've only recently started using it more, so all these figures should increase. And you can see that over a 7-day ad history, I've viewed 47 advertisements this month. There's an amount of 3.7 BAT tokens. That was the total for May. That was May's earnings that have just recently just the other day, been transferred into my wallet. Then there's so far for for the month of June, there's 6.6 BAT tokens that will be paid on the 6th of July. So it's constantly building up. It builds up quicker than you think as well. So like I said, this 6.6 BAT tokens, that's quite recent. That's not even a full month's browsing there. So now to move on to the tipping of tokens, I'll use my account for that. So basically, when you're on a YouTube creator, now there's some YouTube creators, not everybody. It's believe it or not, it's not mass adopted yet and not that common. But there are a lot of creators where, such as myself, where once you register for a creator account, which is a good way that you can actually pay yourself. I've got another video which I'll put a link in the top right now if you want to see that video, but I have another video which explains how you can create a creator account and actually tip yourself, because there's been an issue with the funds transferring from the browser when it's on mobile phones to your actual Uphold wallet, which I think will be rectified. But again, I mean, it's just an alternate way. And also, if you have a YouTube channel, it's a good way that people can tip you and support your channel. I mean, I know there's things like Patreon, etc. But and even if you get to that threshold, there's the ad revenue that you can get from AdSense. But again, it's just another way of income where you can get support for your channel. So in this case, basically, you can see my channel here. Now, what I could do if I wanted to tip my channel is when I click on the little Brave triangle in the address bar, it comes up with this little box, and with this little box it'll show some funds that you have available within your wallet. I do actually have more funds in my wallet. I'll put a little picture of that, but I don't keep everything in there. But then again, I mean, it's like this is the current BAT in there, and no matter how many BAT you have, you can actually donate to the creators, and the amount that you can donate, it's set by the creator. They can choose, and you can see that you can even set a monthly contribution. So if you wanted to donate, if you had a channel that you particularly like and you wanted to donate, say, 1 BAT token per month to that channel, you can do so just by choosing that option. But you can see here where it says send a tip. So basically, if I click on this part where it says send a tip, it shows the welcome banner for the actual creator. And then here's the option. You can see with myself, I've got either 5 BAT tokens, 10 BAT tokens, or 20 BAT tokens that you can donate. It'll even tell you if you've not got enough in your wallet to donate. And obviously, if you wanted to donate, you just click on that, and then it'll give you an option where you can just click on it to actually donate those funds to that said creator. So again, it's quite a useful thing to have that and to be able to do that. But again, I mean, you don't have to tip people. You can just let it build up and build up into your Uphold wallet. And again, if it builds up in your Uphold wallet, you get a balance building up there. I mean, again, I've like I said, I'm putting a screenshot there, so I'll pull it up again just at this moment to show you with my Uphold wallet what the balance is there. Currently, I have some of the balance which I've transferred into Great British Pounds rather than back tokens, although I do plan to put it back into back tokens and just let them build up, basically. So that's a basic overview of it. I mean, there is a lot of customizable options. One thing I do like about Brave as well is that, I mean, you can see how many ads and such forth it's blocking, but also it has these backgrounds that refresh. And again, I think it's an option that you can change, but it has lots of kind of cool looking backgrounds, as you can see, that always, every time you open up a new tab, you get something like this. So you've got like a different scene, which I just left a lot of them as they are, because to be honest, I find them quite scenic and nice to look at. But again, I mean, it's all personal preference. But I was using Chrome as my main web browser, but now I'm using BAT as my main web browser. So I have the added benefit that at the moment, with the home working, I'm actually able to use that as well. So I'm technically earning BAT tokens while I work, which is in my day job, which is amazing to do. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I mean, what I would advise is, if you want, you can go to the Brave website and download the Brave browser, give it a try, see what you think, see if you like it. I will also see about doing a video about linking your Uphold wallet to your Brave browser as well, because you have to do that. When you install the Brave browser, you have to link it to your Uphold wallet in order for the tokens to transfer onto your Uphold wallet every month. It's quite simple to do, but again, it's one of those things. It'll be simple for some, and it'll be a task for others to get it all set up, because when you're doing anything for the first time, it's usually quite not straightforward, with regards to setting that up. What I will do in this video, I'm going to put a link down below in the description in case you want to download the Brave browser and check that out. You could also, I mean, if you have it and you use it, or if you get it and you find it interesting, you could even donate it to my channel if you wish, but again, that's entirely your choice. If you don't want to do that, then you can always pop a like on this video, give me a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. But if you've got this far in the video, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, catch you on the next one.